When is the best time to go into the world of trading? As in, when is the best time to trade Forex? In this video, I'm not talking of the trading session in terms of the Sydney session, the Tokyo session, New York session, or London session. No. When is the best condition or situation you find yourself? The best season, the best time you find yourself, I know that this is the best time to trade Forex. You know, many people have not realized that this trading is more of the way you think, the psychological part of it. Let me give you a brief story. About 2 years ago, I think that was in 2022, when I was really struggling with my life and trading and everything. My elder sister looked at me. She said, "You know what? Let me tell you something. This thing you are doing, trading, no, it's meant for people who are financially buoyant, people who has made money, who are very okay with themselves. These are the people that trading is meant for. I mean, these are the people that can easily squeeze out $300. In case you don't know, I'm in a third class country. And majority of people in the third class country, I'm sorry, cannot afford to risk those $200 just like that. No. This is a country whereby the minimum wage is below $40. So imagine in a situation like that, and you're expecting that person to trade Forex. So when is the best time do you think it is for you to start trading? When she gave me this advice, I was just like, this lady, she don't know what she's saying. Only me understand this thing. See, I understand this market. But back then to now, I've now discovered that they have truths in that word she's saying. See, when is the best time to trade? That's the question I'm still asking. And I'll be giving you the answer to that question in this video. A lady once reached out to me again, telling me, see, I just lost my job. I don't know what to do. I think I saw one of your videos on YouTube, and I feel like, let's connect. I want to start trading with you. I want you to teach me how to trade. I don't understand. I laugh. You see, when you lose money, when you are not financially okay, yes, when you lose your job, you lose your source of livelihood, you lose your source of income, the last thing that should be in your mind is to say you are coming into the world of trading. No, that is the worst time to trade Forex. I mean, that is the worst time to ever say you are coming into the world of trading. That time you know you've lost your job, you don't have any source of income at that point in time. See, that's the worst time you should ever come into the world of trading. Unless you are coming to just learn. You are coming to just learn how to trade, not to make money. You are coming to learn. But to say you are coming to make money, no, that's the worst time to make Forex and to make money from the financial markets. Let me tell you something. Majority, if not all, of the big traders you see out there, none of them made money from the markets. They only grew their money in the financial markets. Yes. It's called a financial market. See, you use money to make more money here. And where do you get that money to make more money? You need to get it from some. Don't think you are coming here to make money. You are only coming here to grow your money. I mean, you need to be in a state of mind, in a very relaxed state of mind, whereby you know fully well that this money I'm depositing into my broker right now, or I'm using to purchase this pro firm right now, if anything should go wrong, I can still fend for myself, fend for my family, and be very, very okay. Even if this money I'm depositing into this broker finally goes. In short, immediately you put the money there, you just forget about it. That's the psychology, the winning mindset of the winning traders. I mean, these are traders who have understand how rigid, how truly the market is, knowing fully well that you are just a speculator and anything can happen. I mean, whenever you lose your job or you are not financially stable, you are not okay, go look for something else. Look for, even if you want to come into anything online, go look for graphic designing, web designing, other things you can do online for yourself. Never you come into the world of financial trading thinking you can make money at that state you are currently. Your financial is zero. Everything you mess yourself up. You mess yourself up in the financial market. You are just coming here to instead of you to make money here, the market will make money from you. That's just one truth you need to understand. You won't make any money. Instead, the Forex market, the smart traders will make money from you. You are not making any money here. This place is not the place to come to when you are broke. That's just one truth you need to realize about the market. That's the worst time to trade. And when is the last time for you to trade so for you to venture into the world of trading or come into the financial market? Number one, I mean, this is a time whereby you are coming to make money, right? Yes. You need to come with the mindset of, I want to learn first. I mean, you are financially okay. You are doing your job. You can dedicate between 4 to 5 hours, or at least a minimum of like 2 hours per day, back testing, learning. See, I've come to understand one thing about trading. It takes like between 6 months to 1 year to become a master in a particular trading strategy. 6 months to master a strategy, and it can take you 3 years to master the psychology to become a profitable trader using that strategy. I mean, you can master a trading strategy within 6 months, and it will take you 3 years to build a psychology to trade profitably with that same strategy. That's just one truth about the markets. That's just one truth you need to realize about these financial markets. The best time to trade is when you're financially okay. When you are not in debt, you are not borrowing money from anybody, you're financially okay, you are not financially pressured. Yes, you're not financially pressured. Go look majority of the big traders out there. There's a certain level these guys are for them to become profitable in this market. You cannot be broke coming here and you're thinking you want to be profitable. See, you will struggle psychologically the more. There's what we call, you pass through what we call a mental trauma, mental and psychological trauma. I mean, this is a situation whereby you analyze a chart. After doing all your analysis, you see a trade setup you're supposed to take. You press buy. Okay, normally, before this trade moves into profits, you have to, be in a loss for some moments before actually moving into profits, because not all trades move very fast. You can enter that trade and the trade will end up consolidating. Before it moves, maybe you cannot move close to your stop loss. You'll be like, God, I've lost this money. You end up close. You say, okay, instead of I'm risking $2 on this trade, or let's say I'm risking $10 on this trade, and you are seeing a floating loss of like $6. You'll be like, instead of me to lose everything, let me cut the loss short and leave the remaining. You close your trade at $6 loss, only for you to come back, let's say 2 hours later, and see that boom, the trade did not hit your stop loss. It moved as you expected. Guess what? The next thing that will enter into your mind is what we call FOMO, fear of missing out. You enter, you like to pursue the trade, and immediately you press buy. You want to follow the trend. You are angry that you missed the trades. You close the trade before it's time. You lose money instead of you to make money. You enter. The next thing again, there's what we call retracements. The market can now retrace. You'll be like, it's reversing. You close the trade again in the loss, and you see the trade continue moving. See, this is the mental and psychological trauma you find yourself when you are trading with money you cannot easily afford to lose. I mean, when you're not financially stable, when you are not okay, this is when you lose money in trading. See, I've come to realization that this is just one truth about trading, which most of us learn very late or after years in the markets we actually find out these things. This is just one truth about trading. And please, guys, I just feel like let me just share this thing with you guys today. And if you find this thing helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to help this channel grow.